Hello, welcome to this video, and here I want to show you how to put a background image in your CSS in a Django project. So most Django developers face that error when they want to put a background image in your CSS file, specify a particular background image in their Django project. They face that error most times. So here I'm going to show you how to fix it. I'm going to show you two ways to fix that problem. If the first one doesn't work, the second one's probably gonna work. So here I want to put a background image here in this logo and this forms. So let me go ahead to my code, and here in my CSS file I'm gonna specify a background image, and here I'm gonna put the part where this image is, and you can see this image is in my static, in my picture, in my pics. So I'm gonna put this avatar.png. So here we're gonna see URL, and here I'm gonna say pics, and you can see I got this avatar.png. So I'm gonna use this one over here, and I can save this file now. So let me go to my browser. Here I'm gonna refresh, and you can see that image has been applied here. So sometimes whenever you use this method, it might work or might not work. So I'm gonna show you another way to counter this. So if this doesn't work for you, now go on to the next one I'm gonna show you now. So if this doesn't work, first of all, I want you to make sure your parts are being configured well. So check if your static files, your template files are being configured well in your settings.py. So I'm gonna close this up, my static. I'm gonna go to my project here, and here in the settings.py, first of all, I'm gonna go to installed apps to check if my Django app is being installed. And here you can see app is installed. Here, check if your template files are being configured well. You can see over here, batch devs, and configure my template files. So the most important one is to configure your static files. So you can see here I say static URL equal to static, which is that folder I created for my static files. And here static file there's always as badge join. So I configured this correctly, and so since this is configured correctly, let's go in and use the second method. So I'm gonna close this up, and now in my settings.py, all we have to do now is, since the first one didn't work for you, the next thing you're gonna do is this. You're gonna say static. Now we're gonna specify the static files folder, the pics, and then the picture one. I'm gonna end this with this, and now save it. So if you're facing the error, you can try this static, the folder, and the pics name. And now let's go ahead and see if this works for us. Oh, okay, let's use something else, so we're gonna see the difference. So let's use another picture over here. So let me start from here, so you're gonna know what we're talking about. So let's just use a basic way we used before. We use our pics, and then let's see something else. This profile avatar.png. And now what we're gonna do next is this. I'm gonna say, first of all, I'm gonna say static, and here we're gonna end this with this. So this is how you have to specify this after you've must have checking if your parts are being configured well. So you're gonna do the static, your folder, and the name of the picture over here, and so this should work. So let's save this file now. Go ahead to the browser, and you have to refresh now, and you can see we get this part, we get this image here, a different image. So we can also put, let's stick with that avatar.png, and let's see if this method works. And let's go back and let's hit refresh, and you can see we get this. So this is how to add a CSS background image in a Django project. We face these errors most of the time, but I hope this video helps you to fix this.